So now you've taken care of everything that you need to for your session folder. You've uploaded everything, you've set up the homework, you've entered in your grades, and you've completed your Genius charting. Now the last thing to do is to just render your class in NPA. So you just go to NPA and open up your schedule. And you find your class and just double click on the session for the day. And the only thing you have to change here is that you have to check off service has been rendered. Once you do that, just click OK, and it'll change from light green to dark green. And last thing you do is you come down here and you click the Save button. And it'll say your schedule changes have been saved to the database. Click OK, and you've rendered your class. And now you're completely done.